Okay YouTube, so today I'm doing a review on the G-SHOCK Mudman, unboxing as well, little review. It's a nice little watch. I've had it since around about New Year because the watch I had for Christmas broke. It was the Timex, dual time. It was quite a nice little watch. Iron Man, if I'm correct, Iron Man Timex. So we're going to start opening. It's got a nice little case around it. It's a little black box to start off with. It's a nice little black box. I got this one from Argos, last one in. So I'll open it. I don't know whether you're going to need any scissors or anything because mine was pre-opened. So, because mine was the last one in, so it was the shaft. So you get this nice little thing that comes around it. Here's the tin. It comes in a nice little tin. Mine's a bit jam-packed because I didn't know how to put the instruction manual back in it. So I'll take the top. Got your instruction manual in there. Take the top off. There we go. Yeah, take the watch out. So there's the watch. Come back to that in a minute. Just need some extra light under there. So just the rest of the tape. Instruction manual back in there. That off to the side. Come back to the watch. Here's the Mudman. It's shock resistant and mud resistant. Get to it. Little in a case. It's a nice little double strap on it. Let's go inside these little holes. If I light it up, you've got a button at the bottom there. Doesn't normally look like a button. If you press it, it lights up. It's got some different modes on it. It's a CASIO, yeah, normal watch as normal. Those G-SHOCKs are. It's got 4 buttons on it. On the one side, they're circle. On the other side, they're rectangle. A nice little back to it. It's got nice little grips on the back. So where you put it on, like this. Get a little pin. Just fold it in there. Just push it through. It's closed. It's quite an easy watch to open and close. Got a nice colour to it. When I saw it on the internet I didn't like it, but then when we went into Argos I decided, oh, nice looking watch, last one, quite nice. So if I show you the tin one more time, about all the jam-packed stuff in it. There we go. That's a nice little tin there. Here's the box for it. Here's the instruction manual. So that's the set that comes with it, the instruction manual. There's that's the model. manual's quite big, but if I'm correct, there's 2 languages. That's the contents page. Don't think you can see that. I can't quite see it on my own laptop. Any problems, you need to get a CASIO website's here somewhere. So yeah, so let's go to the functions of the watch. The function of the watch. So that's your standard time. Your mode button is this one down here. Makes a little noise every time you change it. So it's this first stopwatch. Second stopwatch. The backwards timer, if I'm correct, so the countdown timer. That's the snooze. I think that might be the alarm. And this is the world time. Got world time set to London because I live in the UK, so in England, so I set it to London. Yes, this one here, just clarified, is a timer, so it's a backwards timer. So you set the time. Say if you wanna, say if you want to go for a, say if you want to do like laps, like 5-minute run, 4 push-ups or 5 push-ups, something like that. Then you'll set that to 5, and it'll go to, every 5 minutes. And it'll go beep 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 beep. Go down, do your 5, stand up, and I think you push your forward button. This one here, and starts to count down in again, and you start running off again. It's pretty much that simple. Also, the green light is not part of the watch. It's off my camera. So that's the watch. Manual. Nice little G-SHOCK tin, which came with it. Here's the centerpiece, which goes around the watch in the center of the tin. And you've probably seen this watch in 2 of my previous videos if you're watching this through my channel. I'm not the person that goes around saying, oh, like my videos and sub and stuff. I don't like people doing that. It gets on my nerves. So just, if you want to sub, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you want to like, you can. If you want to dislike, you may. I don't care. They're just here because it gives me some spare time to do. Goes inside this G-SHOCK box. It's quite nice. It's got the same pattern on it as it's got on the tin. The tin is not a hexagon. Doesn't look like a hexagon. It's got 7 points on. It's got 6 points. It's got 6 points, but the way they have designed it is that it goes like that. It's got 6 points. Actually, go. But instead, it turns that way. It turns like that. So you've got that. Look, got the box. Got the box in the picture. Slightly, because I'm using a smaller residue stand to normal. and the G-SHOCK watch itself. All over. So that's the collection of the CASIO G-SHOCK Mudman. Don't forget, if you've got any more queries about the watch itself and you want to know how to use it, or your thing didn't come with an instruction manual, I will try and find a website based on the manual. You should be able to find one on the CASIO website. Oh, and this watch, you get 2 different modes with this watch. If I'm correct, you can get 2 different ones. You can get mode 1, that's model 1, where it's black on white, or you get mode 2, which I've got, depending where you live. Mode 2 is the one that I've got, just like that. So it's hard to see, but I'm not really bothered. So that's pretty much my video based on CASIO Mudman G-SHOCK, and I'll see you all in another video.